हाँ, जब तक शांतिपूर्ण था हम लोगों ने किसी प्रकार का बल प्रयोग नहीं किया है।
यानी कि एसडीएम भी कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने बल प्रयोग किया है, लेकिन ये बात बिल्कुल सही है क्योंकि मैं शुरू से यहाँ पर मौजूद हूँ। जब तक आंदोलन शांतिपूर्ण था, जब तक नारेबाजी हो रही थी, जब तक माइकिंग हो रही थी, जब तक अपनी मांगों के समर्थन में नारे लगाए जा रहे थे और जो प्लेकार्ड्स हैं वो लहराए जा रहे थे, तब तक सब कुछ यहाँ पे शांत दिख रहा था। लेकिन जैसे ही बैरिकेडिंग तोड़ने की कोशिश हुई, वैसे ही पुलिस का डिप्लॉयमेंट थोड़ा बढ़ा।
There you have it, see visuals in Bihar where the police is now lathi charging the protesters. Like my colleague was saying, it was all okay as long as the protesters was raising slogans and marching peacefully, but it turned rowdy once a fracas broke out, and there you can see on your screens the police lathi charging and beating those protesters. Also, the leader of the protest, Amar Azad, has been taken into, has been detained by the police so far. We'll bring you all the updates as and when there are more updates on this. This is Bihar, I think one of the worst impacted states in India so far as the SC/ST quota order of the Supreme Court is concerned. A lot of emotion there, and this in a marketplace which, of course, if you will notice, the shutters are down, but then the protesters are out. Look at that. I think a common passerby is telling the police to take it easy with him, but the police chasing after a protester and catching him with him and then beating him, actually controlling him, because like my colleague also said, that earlier the protests were rather peaceful as long as they were raising slogans, but they turned rowdy after a while, and that is when the police had to take charge and resort to lathi charge. There on your screens, for those who have joined us, these are the protests on SC/ST subclassification from Bihar, and of course Bihar, Rajasthan and Odisha, all of them are equally impacted, but Bihar, these are the visuals that we are getting from Bihar, where the police and the protesters seem to be indulging in fisticuffs.